Xuanda Industrial Group was founded in 1990 and is headquartered in Wenzhou, Zhejiang Province. It is a key national high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. Xuanda mainly operates in 4 industrial sectors: industrial pumps and valves, chemical equipment, special metal materials, and general contracting for energy-saving and environmental protection projects. Our group has established research and development and production bases in Wenzhou, Shanghai, and Jiangsu, with 12 workshops equipped with advanced manufacturing equipment, including large CNC gantry milling machines, high-speed CNC lathes, fully functional CNC lathes, injection molding machines, machining centers, horizontal lathe machining centers, vertical lathe machining centers, a 15-stage clean room, pressure testing areas, product assembly areas, and fully automatic painting lines. Xuanda Group has established the Xuanda Research Institute, which includes 32 advanced laboratories equipped with instruments such as the Thermo Fisher Direct Reading Spectrometer, Zeiss EVO Material Analysis Microscope, X-ray diffraction chamber, large metallographic microscope, hardness tester, ICP/IC analysis room, oxygen nitrogen hydrogen analyzer, ultrasonic cleaning, V4 electrochemical workstation, corrosion testing laboratory, tensile/impact testing equipment. The laboratories have passed CNAS certification. Xuanda's main products include carbon steel and stainless steel valves, special metal material valves and lined valves, high-temperature valves, cryogenic valves, electric and pneumatic valves, as well as control valves. Additionally, the company provides supporting sulfuric acid chemical equipment and environmental protection projects. With years of industry experience and continuous management improvement, Xuanda has obtained ISO system certification and API certification. In 2021, it was awarded the title of Outstanding Valve Supplier by Sinopec. Xuanda is an approved supplier for CNPC, CNUC, Sinopec, and Petronas. Xuanda employees carry forward the mission of advancing exploration, maintaining integrity, driving technological innovation, and contributing to national industry development. Xuanda upholds the essence of quality and strives for win-win outcomes.